Hello guys, here is a past question before us on linear momentum. A constant force acts on a body of mass 50 kg and change its speed from 20 meters per second to 90 meters per second in 10 seconds. That is not captured. Take note of that. Calculate the magnitude of the force applied. So our mass here is given to be 50 kilogram. Okay. The time is 10 seconds. Take note of that, please. 10 seconds. Then our initial velocity is 20 meters per second. Is that clear? Then, if that is the case, from 20 to 90, then v, which is our final velocity, is equal to 90 meters per second. Okay? Recall that we're asked to calculate the magnitude of the force applied. So F is unknown. Force applied is given by ma. Is that clear? Hence, when we apply Newton's second law using Newton's second law, okay, then we know that F, which is our force, is the same thing as m into v minus u close bracket all over t. Is that clear? So that by substituting, F is equal to 50 into 90 minus 20. 90 negative 20 will give you 70. Is that clear? Then we are dividing this by 10 so that 0 cancels 0 in 50 and 10. Then we have 5 into 70 so that our force will now equal 350 Newton. Hope this is clear. This is how you solve some of the questions in Waec, Neco, even Jamb itself. Take note of this important aspect. Thank you. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.